Araw ng Sabado, March 28, 2026, pakarera muli dito sa Philippine Jockey Club. At magbibigay pong muli ang Pinoy Karera Sports sa iba pa ng ilang karera gabay giya tips at analysis para sa araw na to. At alas 4 en punto na hapon ang post time para sa race number 1. At para sa panimula rito na winner take all, ang tanging pili ko rito, malamang outstanding favorite sa grupo na to, numero 1 Doña Leoncia. Isang magandang salida lang sa gate, iwas aberya sa laban, pwede na rin makaraos ng panalo sa grupo na to. Kaya panoorin po natin yung naging huling takbo niya sa parehong distansya. Tanging pili ko sa race na to, numero 1 Doña Leoncia.
Bell getting a little bit closer is Doña Leoncia, and on the back of Doña Leoncia is High Intensity. They're on the circle, they've got about 650 to travel, and Bossa Conaman about to be taken on by Authentication, back in third, then with the drop on them Alibaba, Paris with bronze getting closer. Doña Leoncia, your favourite, is creeping closer in the centre in that orange jacket, and the rails is Lily Bell, they're in the straight, and Authentication over on the inside. Bossa Conaman is still there, whacking away Alibaba. Doña Leoncia still got the job ahead of her, but she's winding up. Lily Bell probing between runners, getting to the front. Alibaba, Doña Leoncia going after Alibaba, but Alibaba in front holds on. Alibaba beats Doña Leoncia. Lily Bell third, then came Authentication over on the inside. Then pulling up quickly was Bossa Conaman, and then came back behind them High Intensity.
Isang 3-year-old and above maiden race para sa mga placers. Start ng pick 6 sa race number 2. At ang dalawang kalahok dito na nakatakbo na sa ganitong distansya, itong numero 3 na You Can Bet On Me at numero 4 No Quit. Pero ang pamprimera at panigundo ko rito, baka may itinatagong buti sa katawan. Naglaban na rin to, uling takbo sa nobatoran nila. Pamprimera ko itong numero 6 na Balisong. Panigundo ko naman dito, numero 2 na Golden. Sana nga lang magpakitang gilas to ngayon sa ganitong distansya. At ang panulsarapan nilat ko naman dito, may 1.14 na itala. Nung lintakbo niya sa 1,200 meters, nung nasigunda to kay Rapido, numero 3 na You Can Bet On Me. Kaya panoorin po natin yung mga huling naging takbo na mga kalahok dito.
Is still a pace setter. It is still See Mischief in green cap by Avaralenka, and racing on the outside is I Told Mama Silakbo, and coming from off the pace, moving up in the middle now is Miss Rainbow. 100 meters left to go. See Mischief, Miss Rainbow, winding up very quickly down on the outside, and here's the finish line. It's all Miss Rainbow coming from behind winner, beating See Mischief. Then comes I Told Mama Silakbo, last to check in Grand Marshal. Racing. A very slow start for number 1 horse Vicar. We have the leader Golden by a length and a half over Casbell. Rushing up that on the inside now is Balisong, and a long way back to Mole Main Road and Golden. Down the back stretch, it's Golden by 3 lengths now. It's Golden by 3 lengths. And coming closer now is Balisong. 3 lengths for the back. In third is Casbell. And a long way back to Mole Main Road. And as they race at the last 600, it's Golden. Golden by 3.5 lengths. Coming back once again now in second is Casbell. Running third down on the inside. Closing in now is Balisong. And a long way back to Mole Main Road and Vicar. 3 runners now across the track as they turn for home. It's now Balisong. Balisong by 3 lengths now over Golden, drops back in second. Here comes Casbell racing on the outside, taking the second spot and almost catching the lead. It's now Casbell. Casbell by 2 lengths now over Balisong. Golden in third, and up the line, Casbell wins the Nevada race over Balisong. Third, Golden. One rider losing his mount, Mole Main Road. Jockey John Paul Guse, last to check in, Vicar.
And at the tail of the field is No Quit. There's only about 8 lengths top to bottom as they run by the 950 metres. Be Kind. Be Kind travels very keenly up front. 2.5 in advance for Ever King. Third, the Rail Blue Scholar. Favourite creeping closer. War Emblem on the outside. Then came back behind them in the yellow colours with the blue cap is No Quit. At the tail of the field in that red jacket is Legatsby Wind. They're on the circle around 750 out. Be Kind. Chased by Forever King, and getting closer now is War Emblem, but very hard ridden. This leader's travelling very well. Be Kind rounds the bend for home. 2 in advance, War Emblem. Forever King came next. Blue Scholar followed by No Quit at the 250. Be Kind is looking pretty good at the moment. War Emblem is trying to cut him down, but he's got to kick Be Kind on the outside. War Emblem can't do any better. Be Kind racing away. Be Kind down to the wire, wins by 4 from War Emblem. Forever King third, then Blue Scholar fourth, then came No Quit. Bend for home, Legatsby Wind, full of running at the 250, 2 in advance, Rodeo Drive. No Quit in the centre, runs on fairly well. The favourite needs a miracle, Amber Moon from there. 250 out though, it's still running strongly, Legatsby Wind. Rodeo Drive trying to cut him down inch by inch. Rodeo Drive gets to Legatsby Wind, put the head in front. Rodeo Drive wins the first, beats Legatsby Wind. No Quit third, a distant fourth then was Kalampane Beach, followed then by Fly with the Wind. Amber Moon's ran last, and just forward of Amber Moon was Red Bell. And Rapido, the favourite, strides away, looks to be travelling very smoothly. Rapido by 3 in second spot. You Can Bet on Me. The rider's lost his cap there. Followed then by Donut Give In, and then came What an Act. And over on the inside then was Cat Call well into the straight, and Rapido running strongly. Rapido 3 in advance. You Can Bet on Me. Best of the rest is What an Act. It's all Rapido. Rapido down to the wire. This is very easy. Rapido JB Hernandez win by 7. Second, You Can Bet on Me. Third, What an Act, and then came Crown Agent, followed by Cat Call. Donut Give In is pulled up very quickly back at the tail of the field.
Race number 3, panimula rito ng unang puntusan ng first pick 4. Pwede natin pagtuunan ng pansin dito yung tatlong kalahok na dating nabibilang sa iisang koneksyon. Numero 2 na Bantay Sarado, numero 4 Keynote Speaker, at itong numero 5 Super Dancer. Kaya sa paligay ko, depende na lang sa kondisyon. Lahat yung tatlong kalahok na nabanggit ko, pwedeng panama sa inyong mga pagpipilian. Kaya ang pamprimera ko rito, isa sa diremating kalahok sa tatlo, numero 2 na Bantay Sarado. Panigundo ko naman dito, pwedeng mauna manalo ngayon. Metuli, numero 4 Keynote Speaker, panama sa pagpipilian. Baka ito lang ang mabida ngayon, numero 5 Super Dancer. Kaya napambala pa sa mga diskarte nyo sa race na to. Okay po, thank you. At sa race number 4 naman, dito ang panimulaan ng second set ng pick 4. 6 lang ang kalahok dito. Isang magandang laban naman tayo para sa 5 kalahok sa race na to. At ang madedehado rito, may tsamba naman, numero 5 na Boy Hulo. Kaya ang pamprimera ko rito, paiba-iba lang ng takbo. Kung mailalaban, malaki din ang chance sa makapanilat sa grupo na to. Numero 6 na Dakota Elegance. Panigundo ko naman dito, medyo dehado sa 5. Numero 3 na Upscale Bell. At panama ko naman sa pagpipilian sa samalyamadong kalahok dito. May best time na 1.25.2 na naitalang tiyempo sa dating laban niya. Numero 4 Amazing. At kayo na pong bahala para sa mga kursunada nyo sa race na to. Okay po, thank you. Race number 5 na tayo, ang huling DD+1 event para sa araw ng Sabado. Ang tanging pili ko naman dito, minsan na tersero kila Catral at Midnight Bell, numero 2 na Modern Legacy. Sana lang magpakitang gilas ngayon itong numero 2 na Modern Legacy dahil medyo mababa na rin ito sa grupong lalabanan niya. Pero kung gusto niyo naman ng pang-protection dito, may minsan laban, dikit lang din sila nagkatalo sa datingan sa meta. Numero 5 Lilibel at numero 6 na Graceful Gift. Kaya na pong bahala para sa mga diskarte nyo sa race na to. Okay po, thank you. Isang magandang laban naman tayo para dito sa penultimate race, race number 6. May mga minsan laban na rin sa 1,200 meters, pati na rin sa 1,400 meters sa distansya, yung ilang kalahok dito. Kaya batay dun sa mga naging laban nila, pamprimera ko rito, numero 7, hole in 1. Panigundo ko naman dito, couple entry, numero 2 na Quencio at 2A nakakampi nitong Charge the Castle. At baka kursunada nyo, magandang dehado pa nila dito, naging bisyoso lang. Sana lang naayos na ng koneksyon kung ano man na nagiging problema dito sa pananakbo. May tulin din to, numero 3 na Shiver, may pink. At kung may iba pa rin naman kayo kinukursunadang kalahok dito, kayo na pumbala para sa mga diskarte nyo. Okay po, thank you. At narito tayo sa uling karera dito sa PJC ngayong araw ng Sabado, last race para tingan, race number 7. Kung magtitipid kayo ng kursunada sa mga unang races, pwede kayo magdagdag na mga kinukursunada nyo namang kalahok dito. Pero ang pamprimera ko rito, baka ito ang malyamado sa race na to, numero 5 watch bell, panigundo ko naman dito, numero 4 wireframe. At kung kursunari nyo, pwedeng pa naman sa pagpipilian, numero 2 na Believe in Me at numero 3 na Jewel of the Nile. Kayo na pong bahala pa sa mga diskarte nyo sa race na to. At sana'y muling matapat sa tama yung mga pili at kursunada para sa araw ng Sabado. Good luck po sa inyo lahat, happy racing at maraming salamat po.
Subscribe, like and share, Pinoy Carrera Sports at iba pa. And please don't forget to click or tap the notifications bell icon for new video uploads and updates on this channel. Thank you.